Hi everyone, Rob Collier here from We Buy Homes. We buy earthquake damaged property here in Christchurch. Today we're going to talk about making your next move easy. So the whole process with this is we want to make your move from your as is where is property into your next house, your home, as simple and straightforward as possible. Now we do this in a number of ways. Today we're going to talk about one of those ways that we help you do that. We've created a step-by-step guide that basically helps you through that whole process to make sure that you get everything that you need to do. It's a fairly straightforward process, but we've outlined it. We've also put in there some further additional resources for people that you can contact in regards to moving companies, to buyers agents, to other people that might be really helpful in that whole process if you don't have those contacts already. So it's a step-by-step guide. It's there to help you make it simple and easy. It's part of what we provide, a service that we provide. Look, if you're interested in getting an appraisal on your property, come back to us and give us a call on 0800 payout. That's 0800 payout, and we'll come and take a look at your earthquake damaged property and see if we can help you move on with your life. Thanks.